Good day. In this video, I will show you on how to share your Google Colab notebook to others so that you can collaborate. So to do that, you need to have your Google Notebook open. So let's create a new notebook for this example. So once a notebook was opened in the interface, at the rightmost top portion of your Google Colab, you can see the share icon here. Just click this one. And like other products of Google, such as your Google Sheets or your Google Docs, so it's same functionality. So by default, you can add people or groups that you want to share with. And this is the current people that has an access. Okay, then the general access, by default, it's restricted. If you want it to share it with other people, you can click the anyone with link, but be sure that it's not confidential. Okay, so when you share it with anyone with the link, the default is viewer. Okay, then you just click this link and send it to the persons you want to share with. Or you can also specify the role. Commenter or the editor gives the full editing capability of the one who opened that link. Okay, but the best practice is uh, you can add the email addresses of those persons here, or if you don't want to be adding one by one, what you would like to do is uh, keep it restricted and just click the copy link here, and then you share it with others. Then when the other person clicks your link, he needs to requests for an access like this one. So let's wait for it. So this one, so you need access, so request access or switch to account with access. So if the one the person that you have shared should request it access, and then you will receive an email that someone uh, requested an access like this one. So you can this one. So it's share an item. So you can see the name of the person of the Google account that is requesting for that access. So be sure that you know that person. Okay, and is requesting access. So the email address requesting access. So you, and then what file that person is requesting. Then just click this manage sharing, and then you set uh, you set the sharing properties. So this is one, so as to be an editor. So if you want that person for view only, just click the review and then change it to viewer. Okay, but if that person that is asking for request is your co-editor, of course you need to have it edit, because if it's only viewer, so you can check this notify and the message, it's okay already. Okay, then click share, or if you do not know the person, okay, just click review and decline so that it will not be given access. Okay, so for example, it's only viewer, click share. Okay, then access updated. So the people with access is only viewers. So you can anytime you can change the role here, or you can even transfer ownership. Because as of now you have the ownership. Okay, then remove access also if you don't want that person to be able to access the file anymore. Okay, so if it's only viewer, if he clicks again the link, okay, so uh, he will open it to Colab, but he cannot edit your notebook. Okay, because he has only given a viewer capability. Okay? Then, again, if you want him to or her to have a editor, just click this editor. Okay, so then click save. Okay, then, so never share your notebook to unauthorized persons, and be sure that you always restrict access. Don't, because you, if you share it with anyone in the link, okay, anyone with the link can open it, and you will not know who is editing the notebook. Okay, so remember that. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.